Welcome to this session on maintaining a neat and orderly graph. So in this session, we're just going to take a look at the graph and how to keep your nodes neatly organized on that graph. So I'm going to select the graph and then pull it out to create a window, make it a little bit larger so we can see it here. So first thing is there is a fit. It'll fit all your nodes onto the graph. Or you could select several nodes and fit the selected nodes. We'll go back to the fit. We could also take a group of nodes, select them, and then use the alignment tool. So for instance, I could align left or align the middles, align right. So let's just do an align middle. That aligns them all up, and then I can adjust the spacing. So for instance, I could make all the vertical spacing equal, or I could remove all the vertical spacing and then just increase it incrementally. I might want to take all of those slider nodes and pull them out here to the beginning of my graph so that I can find them easily. I might want to take these three nodes that relate to the hotel and again align their middle so they line up vertically. Space them equally. And we'll slide those back over here. Now changes to the graph. Pull that down and slide it over. Can be recorded. But there's a icon up here which is record locations. What this will do is basically make that the permanent location of those nodes, and it'll take that last change out of our transactions. So if I select this record locations, you'll notice it removes that last transaction. It's going to replay everything, and now my nodes have that new permanent location. Another option to make the graph a little easier to read or to make it easier to find certain nodes is you can color the nodes. So for instance, again, I could select all those slider nodes and then right click on one of them and select the Colorize node option. It gives me a little color wheel there, and I could just come here and create a color for them, select OK. And now those nodes are colored on the graph and they're easier to find or identify. And I'll go ahead and record that transaction. So it's important to keep a neat and orderly graph. It'll make it easier to work in the model and find those nodes as more and more geometry and nodes are added to the model.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.